Welcome back to Inebriated.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bree.
Today I'm going to teach y'all how to make the Jam Jar cocktail.
We're so thankful for you all this Thanksgiving. Let's get into the cocktail. That's how you make the Jam Jar Fizz. This cocktail, I'm not exactly sure what I'm tasting. I'm hinting ginger for sure. All the ingredients are working very well together, and I want to sip on this cocktail all day long. Again, good job. Tell us about this cocktail.
Yeah, this is sometimes when you make drinks, you can kind of taste individual things, and then sometimes the whole thing is just a new flavor. It's kind of what's happening here.
I think so for sure.
Again, we got the world's first basil rum, so it provides the nice basil-y flavor, just kind of a savory aspect to kind of all the sweeter things that are in there as well. Then we use this orange fig spread, which is absolutely fantastic. You get a little bit of that orange flavor. The fig is kind of more subtle, but it adds a lot of depth to it. And it also adds seeds. Some people don't like seeds, so if you don't like seeds, maybe you want to double strain this drink. I like the seeds, I like pulp and that kind of stuff, so I want to leave it in there. Apple juice, I mean, sounds like how it is, just straight up apple juice in there. And then the thing that kind of ties it all together is this Unknown Brewery's ginger ale. This is actually their cranberry version. They have this, a regular, and also a hot version. But it's fall, y'all, so we got to use the cranberry in there, which is this is about the only ginger ale I drink anymore because it actually tastes like ginger. You can kind of lose a lot with some other brands. And also, it's made in North Carolina.
I love their ginger ale. I think it's so good. I also love carbonated drinks, so I'm definitely a big fan of this one. I'm really loving all the notes that are coming through. Even when you smell it, I mean, it smells very floral, and it's definitely the basil rum coming through. We also said that maybe we would add a little bit more of the basil rum.
Yeah.
But again, customizable, up to you. That's how all the cocktails should be. Just get experimenting in your kitchen.
Definitely more of a guideline is rather these things are cool together rather than you have to do it this way.
Exactly. But definitely try this out. Maybe drink it while you're hanging out with your family or whoever else you're hanging out with during the Thanksgiving season. We are very thankful for everybody supporting us here at Muddy River, especially right now during the holidays. Stop in and see us if you have time. Bring in the whole family, the whole crew. We'd love to see you and show you why we love Muddy River. But until next time, definitely check out the recipe in the description, and we'll see you guys next week. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.